Today, when I'm talking to you all, I am reminded of 2 years ago when I had got the opportunity to offer prayers at the Sivgiri Mutt. I was honored to pay tributes to Sri Narayan Guru and service and receive the blessings of noble saints. In Kerala, there are two governance models currently, the Congress model and the communist model. Both models are models of efficient corruption and inefficient governance. The BJP model of governance is a model of development. It is a model of quick development, inclusive and all-round development. Do you remember? There was a similar situation in Tripura. But people gave us a chance, and now they are seeing a new model of governance. Such a day is not far in Kerala too. You are right that BJP is currently not in power in Kerala. But that does not stop our welfare agenda from improving the lives of people of Kerala. Do you know that close to 90,000 people from Kerala have received free treatment under PM Jai, और कभी कभी लोग कहते हैं मोदी केयर, अंडर आयुष्मान भारत? 90,000 in Kerala. Do you know that more than 2.25 lakh toilets have been built in Kerala in last 4 years? Do you know that more than 1,000 kilometers of rural roads were built in Kerala in last 4 years? Do you know that around 50 lakh mudra loans worth rupees 25,000 crore rupees were given to enterprises from Kerala? Do you know that close to 2 lakh families in Kerala have got a home in the last 4 years? Pakka makan. All this has happened due to the efforts of the central government. In the last 4.5 years, a number of connectivity projects have been started to increase the reach of fruits of development in the south. In the year 2018-19, 19 national highway projects costing around rupees 3,500 crore were sanctioned in Kerala alone. Under the Sagarmala program, meant for port modernization, 4 projects have been sanctioned for Kerala. A few months ago, Kerala witnessed heavy rain and flooding. Today, I once again reiterate our solidarity with all those affected by the floods. When the floods struck in August 2018, the entire nation stood with the people of Kerala. Blessings and contributions came from all over the nation.